Final clinical trials for the coronavirus vaccine being developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University have been put on hold after a suspected adverse reaction was seen in a participant of the study. The world is closely watching the vaccine trials. Researchers are conducting trials in the United States, the United Kingdom, Brazil and South Africa. Meanwhile, the abrupt halt has been described by AstraZeneca as a routine pause in the case of an unexplained illness. The AstraZeneca Oxford University vaccine is a strong contender among dozens being developed globally. There are almost 30,000 people participating in the trial. The vaccine had been expected to be publicly available as early as January 2021. Now, this is the second time the Oxford coronavirus vaccine trial has been put on hold. However, it may resume in the coming few days. But with the delay in the trial, according to the drug maker's chief, AstraZeneca will still know if the vaccine protects people against COVID before the end of this year.
Because if a vaccine works, we will know that in the next few months. The next question will be for how long? Are you protected for 3 months, which is useful but not very useful, of course? Are you protected for 12 months? Are you protected for 2 years or more? And this answer will only come as the trials continue. It will take time to give this final answer. Now, as to the first question, which is, does it protect people, at least for a period of time? We should know that before the end of the year. It's very common, actually, and many experts will tell you this. The difference with other vaccines trials is the whole world is not watching them, of course. So they stop the study and they restart.
Meanwhile, India's central drug regulator has issued a show-cause notice to the Serum Institute of India for not halting the clinical trial of AstraZeneca's COVID vaccine candidate despite it being halted in other countries. As per the World Health Organization, nearly 180 vaccine candidates are being tested around the world, but none has yet completed the clinical trials successfully. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has called the AstraZeneca vaccine trial pause a wake-up call which should not discourage researchers.
I think this is a good, perhaps a wake-up call or a lesson for everyone to recognize the fact that there are ups and downs in research. There are ups and downs in clinical development, and we have to be prepared for those. It's not always a fast and a straight road, but we don't need to be overly discouraged because these things happen.